Excuse me, ma'am, but I think you re in my set.
Oh, sorry about that. Hey, Janice.
What? A surprise! It's me, Matt. We were classmates in high school.
Matt, fancy meeting you here.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been age. I haven't seen you since graduation.
You look very depressed now. I almost did recognize you.
No wonder, for starters, I used to have braces in high school. So when I smile, you would see metal all over my teeth. I had that.
I had really bad acne. I had pimples all over my face.
It wasn't that bad. Don't be so hard on yourself.
And I was pretty fluffy. I had lost a lot of weight since then into sport now.
I wish I had been more involved in the sports clubs in high school. I didn't have the motivation to put my heart into any sport.
But you have changed a bit since in school. You look the same but better.
That's nice of you to say. We had some fun times in high school.
We did many false things.
That's true, I'm with you on that. Remember Miss Nesbitt's chemistry class when I had that funny accident?
You mean that ex-voice when you blew up your project?
Exactly, I really screwed up.
Well, this thing happened. Luckily, no one got hurt.
You didn't show up at our 10 years high school reunion, so I haven't heard from you since graduation.
Unfortunately, I was able to make it to the reunion. It's so nice that you could call up with our classmates.
Yeah, actually, I have kept in touch with some of them over the years. Did you hear that Tom won $1 million at the lottery and lost all the money in 2 years?
No way, you got to be kidding me. How could that happen?
I don't know, beats me.
And did you know that Rob got married with Lisa?
That's figures. They've been in love with each other since 10th grade.
Do they have any children?
No, that I know of. Do you still live in San Antonio?
No, I moved to Houston 8 years ago. What about you?
Yes, I still live there.
So what happened? You've been up to that space 12 years?
Well, I got a degree in finance. While in college, I met my husband Nick. After we met, it was a whirlwind romance. We got married about a year after I graduated. We have 2 children now, Elizabeth and Danny.
Really? That's great to hear. How old are they?
Elizabeth is 3 and Danny is 5.
And where do you work?
After I graduated, I started working at a local bank. But all along, I knew finance was not my thing. I had always been into fashion and clothing, but my parents discouraged me to pursue this career. So I finally made up my mind to go for it. I quit my job and started doing tailoring from home. Then I rent a place and opened a tailor shop. I started from scratch and built it beautifully, nicely. Now I am about to open a boutique with my own creation.
You rock. I'm really happy for you. I think it's takes a lot of guts to start a business.
It has been a lot of work. It's been worth it. I couldn't ask for more.
It goes to show that it's never too late to change careers and pursue your passion.
I couldn't agree more.
How about you? What have you been up to all these years?
Well, I studied film and got my degree in cinematography, but filmmaking isn't all it's cracked up to be. I couldn't earn a living from the films I was making.
That sounds tough.
Tell me about it. I had to work all kinds of jobs for a while just to make ends meet. Painted people's houses, some long maintenances. Then I worked as a photographer for a few years. I have been working on a film lately, but I don't know if it's going to be successful.
Just hang in three. The road to success is not easy. Hard work and patience always pay off big time. I hope you get the big break you need. Just keep going and hopefully I make it in the film industry.
Even if that doesn't happen, I can live with that. It won't be the end of the world if I don't make it. I'll do photography again. That's life. You win some, you lose some.
I can argue with that. I might not have the perfect I can argue with that. I might not have the perfect car, but I have a wonderful family. I am a happy married man with 3 kids.
Like you, I couldn't be happier for you.
Sounds like we would been busy.
Yeah, time has flown by. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching
If you like this
this
video,
video.
please bye.
Bye.